I was thinking about how far you brought me, and a beautiful woman by my side who lifts your name. Oh Lord, I'm blessed, and I can't even thank you enough. Watching my little girl growing up so fast, and her baby brother laughing loud. I stand in awe, what a joy this life has been. So I praise the Lord for another day, to see my family smile on their faces, having fun and living, enjoy every moment. So I praise the Lord for a beautiful day, singing songs and dancing with them. Lord, how could I forget? It's all because of you. It's all because of you. I've got what I need and I found peace. Life too short not to say I love you out loud. Oh Lord, I'm counting your blessings every day. So I praise the Lord for another day, to see my family smile on their faces, having fun and living, enjoy every moment. So I praise the Lord for a beautiful day, singing songs and dancing with them. Lord, how could I forget? It's all because of you. It's all because of you. Every sunrise, every breath I take, everything I have is a gift from you. Yeah, I know it's all because of you. So I praise you, Lord, for another day, to see my family smile on your face,